Hi, it's Lynette and thanks for joining me today. So today I thought I would pop on before my kind of working day started. I'm working from home at the moment and so I kind of had to get up, have a shower, do my hair, get ready because I've got a couple of video calls. So I thought before I start the day I was going to hop on and show you what I've received in the post. So this envelope came through the door and it was indeed my feelunique samples. Feelunique is a beauty website and they do samples. Now the samples are free, you just pay £3.95 postage and packaging. However, due to kind of the coronavirus, they did suspend this service for a while, and I think I saw a couple of people, I think Bryony and Charmed Wench, Marie had popped something up saying that they were back. So of course I got on the website. Now it wasn't in the usual place, it was actually on the front page I think, and you scroll down. Usually I can find it in the sidebar but I couldn't. So anyway, I popped straight on. It's taken a wee bit longer to arrive than they usually do, but they are here and I can't wait to have a look in and see what I ordered. Always forget. So you get the slip which lets you know what you've ordered. You get your little pick and mix sheet here. Sometimes you get an envelope full of different offers, but that's not in here and I don't mind because to me that's just a waste of paper, money, what have you. So I'm just going to tip out the contents and then I'll show you what I've got. So, the first item I see is a cracker, but I'll pull that out later. So I've got here Madara. Now it's organic skincare and I've used a Madara mask before and really enjoyed it for the skin, but this is Repair and Dry Rescue Hair Mask. So it comes in a sachet, but it's 10 ml, so it's enough for me for one depending, but I think it would be enough for me for one application. So I'm assuming, yep, apply to clean towel dried hair, rinse out after 3 to 5 minutes. Now you can do that, or if you're like me, sometimes I keep them on overnight and then just rinse them off in the morning. So with some masks, putting it on towel dried hair makes a difference if you put it on when your hair is really wet. So for example, for that mask I could probably get away with putting it on now because my hair is starting to dry. I air dry my hair because otherwise it just goes like a big bush. Look like I've been dragged through ones backwards. Sometimes the diffuser helps but not always. So the next item I've got here is a brand called Lancer and it's a 3-step method. So there's 3 sachets here, which I thought would be really interesting to try. They're all 2 mils, 2 mils, and one says 3 grams. I don't know why it's the difference. So it's much less, yeah. Okay, so step 1, you polish. So you apply a small amount to damp skin and massage over your face, neck and décolleté, avoiding the eye areas. Rinse thoroughly, then follow with the cleanse method. So you apply a small amount again to damp skin, gently massage, and then rinse, and then you finish it with the nourish, which is apply a small amount and twice a day after cleansing, and they all say avoid contact with the eyes. Now I think there might be enough to get a couple of uses out of these little samples, and these are great for taking away. So when things kind of get back to normal, I'll have to travel for work and have that kind of odd weekend away and things like that, the odd overnight stay. So I generally tend to keep them for that, so I'm not having to take big pouches and packages. Of course I will check if there's any any dates, if anything's going out of date, and use it up before then, but generally you get quite a while out of these wee sachets. So that's those 2 items. The third item, there's 5 grams in here, and that's a face scrub. So it's a coffee face scrub for dry, dehydrated skin, and it says apply to damp face in circular motions. You pop on, leave for a few moments, rinse with warm water and pat dry. So it's got a coffea, it says coffea arabica seed powder. That's a lot, that's all one word. So I was trying to read it and then wondered when it was going to stop. Sucrose, and then it's got lavender, rose, fruit oil, leaf oil, citrus, peel oil. Yeah, it's got loads of different things in it. So it says if irritation occurs, discontinue. It says seek medical advice, but I would just if it was me, I would just rinse my face. So that's it there, and the brand is called, what is the brand called? Upcircle, which is kind of a little bit of a play on upcycle, isn't it? So it's citrus blend made with repurposed coffee grounds, and it's sustainable, vegan and cruelty free. So I like to see that. So I just thought that would be something a wee bit different. And it's not a mask that you need to keep on for long, just a couple of minutes. So you can pop it on and then hop in the shower or whatever. So this next one is it is 7.5ml, and it's Sol de Janeiro, and it's I can't even speak, Coco Cabana cream. So this is a brand that does the Bum Bum cream, and it says love it, flaunt it, you got it. So they usually smell really nice. So it says oil and water body cream. I didn't know that. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And what's good about this sachet is it's kind of cardboard, but it's got this bit at the bottom, which means it can stand up while you're putting it on. And increasingly I'm noticing more and more brands are starting to use cardboard for things. We got a lipstick in the Birchbox that was made of cardboard. The tube was cardboard, which I think is fantastic. It's another item of plastic that won't be going to landfill and staying there for hundreds of years. So I do like to see brands doing things like this. And last but not least, this is the one that I was really excited about. It's 10ml and it's Ren. Now Ren is a really good skincare brand. I've bought it a few times from John Lewis, but that was back when my husband had his 25% off discount, to be honest. It says keep young and beautiful, instant firming beauty shot. So where does one put the beauty shot? Apply 2 or 3 drops to clean face, that's fine. Follow with moisturiser. Reapply over moisturiser or makeup throughout the day as needed. And when applying over makeup, gently pat until it's absorbed. Your skin until it's absorbed, do not rub. So if you're popping it over your makeup, you would just do this rather than rubbing it in and potentially taking off all your makeup. So for my postage and packaging costs, I got my Madara organic skincare mask, which I'm fair away with. This Lancer 3-step method, which I will keep to take away. The Upcircle vegan, sustainable vegan and cruelty free coffee face scrub. Did I say face mask originally? I think I did. The Sol de Janeiro Copacabana cream, which I love the smell of. I did get the dupes from Aldi. I think the lovely Bryony sent them to me in a friend mail. And they smell gorgeous. And I also got the Ren Instant Firming Beauty Shot. So you put this on, I would put this on after my cleanser and before my moisturiser. So yep, that's what I got. Let me know if you're going to go on and get any items. I really hope that they bring back the other, was it the beauty, I want to say Beauty Kitchen, but it's Beauty Kit, I think. I always get it mixed up. Once they've launched that as well, I'm really looking forward to that. I think that's £12 plus postage and packaging, but there's lots of fantastic items on that. So they brought back the samples first, which I was quite surprised that they brought it back first, but pleasantly pleased. So yep, thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope you can get on and get some good samples as well, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.